To replace your filter and tubing install dates, navigate to the Settings screen and then the System section. The recommended filter replacement interval is 6 months. The system will alert you when it is time to replace your filter. Select Change Filter, select Change Now, enter the date and select OK. Disconnect the filter from the pump and tubing. Discard the old filter and connect the new filter to the pump and tubing. The recommended tubing replacement interval is 12 months. The system will alert you when it is time to replace the tubing. First, you need to set the date your system is being installed. Select Change Tubing. Select Change Now. Enter the date and select OK. Unscrew the old tubing from the manifolds and connect the new tubing. Disconnect the flamingo tubing from the manifolds and pump and replace with the new flamingo tubing.